Okay, we're 2 weeks away from game day, and my favorite brand sent over the cutest package, so let's see what we got. Okay, are you kidding me? Look how cute. Okay, you have the mock neck, which I feel like these are so in right now, but the Kentucky is a chenille fabric, which is so cute. And then you have like the little patches, the embroidery, just so many cute little details on this. And then there's also the little stars on the back, and then the retro logo up here. So cute. Everyone's favorite logo. Look at this sweater. Oh my gosh. It also ties around your shoulders and would be so cute. Like, are you kidding me? Last thing, this cute little like boxy top. You have the UK logo all over it. This is such good quality too. I love. Stay tuned for how I style these and comment cats to shop.